Okay, my go. You ready? Champion! I am the champion! Hold your horses. I'm not finished yet.
Hey, how can I make music with you two doing that all day, eh? And it's mine!
A nightclub?
A nightclub?
A nightclub?
A nightclub? A nightclub?
A nightclub!
A set of steak knives! But wait, there's more!
Watch out!
Whoa, what is it?
It's one of those, thingos.
You sure about that, are you?
Of course I'm sure. It's like a thing you get in, and it takes you from Monday mornings to Friday nights.
Oh, a time machine! Time machine. All right. I'm ready.
Potbelly, nerdy, ning nong.
Okay.
Now remember your table manners.
Welcome, the star. I believe I am next. And now for
As soon as I finish this snack. I got here as quick as I could.
Uncle Rufus!
Sort of.
Billy!
Snack time.
we'll have to talk quietly. I tell you, I saw another one.